The Eco Excel initiative marked a new beginning in the public education sector of Lagos State. The initiative is a technology-based one that would empower teachers and school managers to deliver quality education with the aim of improving learning outcomes in public primary schools. With the transition of these primary school pupils to secondary school, the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board has set plans in motion to introduce Eco Excel to the junior secondary school level, hence the need for this forum. At this forum, a committee was inaugurated to ensure a seamless transition of pupils from primary schools to junior secondary schools.
The state government is very proactive and anticipatory in terms of ensuring that there is transformation in the education sector. We have Eco Excel at the primary school level, and some of our pupils are transiting from primary 6 to GSS 1. How do we ensure that the culture of Eco Excel is transited to that level? That is why we are here, to share ideas and rub mind on the way forward.
The Commissioner for Education in Lagos State, Mrs. Polashade Adefisayo, while commending the Lasubeb team, asked the newly inaugurated team to come up with workable strategies to ensure a seamless transition.
The meeting is really to inaugurate a committee that is going to look into the transition of pupils from primary 6 to GS1. So we expect them to be able to develop a program, a framework, a methodology for transiting these students seamlessly and effectively.
With this transition, no gap will be left, as the pupils will keep up the tempo of the education acquired at the primary school level to the secondary schools.
We know from September, the children in primary 6 will transit to GS1, and a lot have been acquired in the course of this Eco Excel training. So in order for them to be able to adjust and settle faster, we believe that this committee should come on board at this time to help us, so that the children, as they are transiting, they are not dropping what they have learned, but they are adding more.
Eco Excel has empowered teachers, and teachers are very important because they're the conduit through which students learn. It has changed the way students learn. It has, it makes classrooms fun and engaging, but not just fun and engaging. It makes the students confident. The learning outcomes, which is what we're most proud of. Students are learning, multiple times better than before Eco Excel. We've been able to go this far because we've had a great partnership from Lasubeb, from the Commissioner, and from, of course, the Governor of Lagos State.
The Eco Excel training has been a very, very good one. It has helped me as a teacher to be able to impact more knowledge on my pupils. Then the fact that there is uniformity in learning. What I'm teaching in my school as a primary 5 teacher is what other primary 5 teachers in all schools in Lagos State government are teaching. Makes it clear to the parents that the government has the will of the people at heart. Our pupils are now excited to come to school because in the classroom they learn songs, chairs, energizers, they are motivated, they want to do more, they want to meet up with the teacher's expectations so that they will be celebrated. And then the pupils, even in their homes, their parents come back to tell us that, oh, these pupils are behaving better than they used to do because the school is grooming them to behave well.
In the same vein, the Lasubeb team also met with the school-based management committees to create an enrollment drive to reduce the number of out-of-school children.
The Sbmc, the Parent Forum, they are one of our big stakeholders in the primary education sector. We want the Sbmcs and the Parent Forum to reach out to their communities and let's bring those children and enroll them in school, because education is the key. We want our children to be educated because they are our future.
Members of the committee were also enlightened about the Eco Excel initiative to ensure its sustainability.
Just as the ambassadors that they are, we expect them to, when you find any child that is out of school, is to find out why that child is not in school and to encourage whoever is the guardian of that child to enroll that child in the nearest public school. That way, the slogan of the Lagos State government, which is aimed at leaving no child behind, can be achieved.
The members of the Sbmc say the EcoExcel initiative message will be passed across to members of their communities.
The Sbmc, they are the link between the school, the government and the community they represent. This made us to know that all the Sbmc, that is the school-based management committee, the PF, the parent forum, they are to go back into the community to let the community know about EcoExcel.
The training have been given to the teachers, the children likes it. We, the stakeholders, like we are here today, we are also being part of it. We, from our own side, we have been discussing of how we will be able to at least come to the aid of what they have been doing. This training is an eye-opener. This training is an energizer.
We are talking about caring of children, and the caring starts from bringing the child to the school. We need every child in the school, and we make sure in our association, we make sure we track those pupils in schools, in the classroom, within the community, and within everywhere.
Since the beginning onset that they started the EcoExcel, I've been with them. And Lagos State, they have been doing well, perform terribly well. Because this thing upgrade our children. Even in the community that I belong, I do tell them that our governor is sellable. That's the one that introduced new things under education, because that's the only legacy that we can give to our children that cannot spoil, that nobody can take it from them.
The school-based management committees were established to provide support to the government and schools around their communities. The committee is made up of volunteers and people of integrity who contribute to the development of the education sector.